charm of spring, I never met it face to face.
Did y'all miss me? Did y'all miss me? You better be saying yeah, or I'm not even finna continue with this video. I said, did y'all miss me? I'm just playing, but it's exactly 2 days. Let me go back in. I'm gonna clean up in a minute. 2 days out until my production company's first production. 2 days. I'm really, really excited. All right, we are 1 day out. 1 day out from production, aka production is tomorrow, and I am at Larchmont Cleaners. I just picked up my suit. We getting down to the last nitty gritty, ditty, switty, witty, and we about to go. We about to do it. We about to do it. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Look, I know I said tomorrow, but I just got home. This is what last minute production shopping look like. I might as well start my own Amazon storefront. Now I see y'all tomorrow. Y'all, so it is not the next day. I didn't lie to y'all again. I am here stuffing sandbags with sand. This is what it looks like to be a new production company owner. This is what it looks like. You stuff sandbags. But hey, it's a part of the journey. Now, I'll see you tomorrow. All right, y'all, it is currently... Alexa, what time is it?
7:11 a.m.
It is currently 7:11 a.m. It's shoot day. I got up early so that I could have my morning routine. Oh, Lord. I usually get up, I stretch. You know, I do a workout. I probably won't do nothing too major today. Probably just, you know, stretch and then go on a mile run. I just got done with my run. Honestly, it was a little hard to finish it because I went into a slight panic, getting ahead of myself a little bit. One of my team members weren't answering the phone, but it was early in the morning, but I was still just anxious about things that day. And I was just really, really worried that maybe he may have ghosted me. Now the nerves are just kicking in a little bit because I have to perform well. I have to make sure this production happens. I have to make sure this vision comes into reality, and I take this very, very seriously. And yeah, I was just crying, just teared up a little bit, just anxious, just, you know, but I got this. God got me. And that's one thing I just continue to tell myself through all the problems that I've ran into just in life and with this production. You gotta have faith. You gotta have faith that everything is gonna be all right. Even when you sitting in an uncertain period and you don't know what's about to happen. You don't know if somebody's gonna not show up. You don't know. But you gotta know God. You gotta have faith. And here we are. Finally, I got to talk to him. But yes, I just had to show y'all this realness right here. Seeing me start off happy, going to a little bit of stress here, but now it's time to recuperate, regenerate, and get this show on the road. Here we go. We packing up, getting ready for the shoot. I'm tired. I'm nerve-wracked.
I don't know where you think this big box is gonna go though.
Look, let me see.
Maybe put the suitcase in the trunk and the box in there.
That might work.
I was very good at Tetris when I was a kid.
Look, I don't know what I would do without my cousin. I got my roommate back there, but we moving, we grooving, we on the way to set. We going a little early, but that's okay. I have a lint roller, by the way. And you hear me? Here we are at freaking Walgreens because I gotta get something last minute. Got what we needed. Well, I thought I was done. But hey, you gotta keep the crew hydrated. Hydrate or not.
I'm gonna ask you, do you want to donate to Red Nose to help children today?
I'm sorry, Red Nose.
Sorry, kiddos.
I'm sorry. Y'all not about to get me. Be like, oh, he ain't want to. Well, look, we ain't donating to these corporations. We ain't. Look, I don't know what they doing with my dollars. I give back on my own time. Praise God. Praise God. We are here in the studio. Yes, I'm shirtless. It's hot carrying all this gear. Sneak peek. We are here. Got all the equipment here. Cameraman coming. He had to go park his car. But how you feeling?
I'm doing good, man. Here for the Don Only Cops tribute. Yo, it's gonna be amazing. Setting up the set, yo, it's gonna be a great time.
So this is the setup in my room the day before. I wanted to put everything together to make sure I was prepared for production day. I wanted to see if there was anything I could add to the set to enhance it, anything that needed to be taken away, changed, and there actually turned out to be things that needed to be changed. So I'm happy I did this. Working. Look at that, look at that. All right, y'all, I am getting dressed. We moving and grooving. I'm about to get my makeup done. My stylist been doing a little bit of everything. Set design, makeup, look at her behind the camera, see the photographer and everything. That's what friends are for, man. You build a good team around you, build good relationships, and you know, you may not have much to offer, but you can offer an experience. Great to have good people around. What's on your mind, Bryce?
Have a close-up done, like you like interacting with the flowers or something, like when you're coming around the table and singing.
Okay.
Push it.
You know what I'm saying? Like rubbing the table or something like that, just to give like that break in time.
We in all white suit.
Things like that.
She's putting on my shoes.
Hey.
She's putting on my...
Bossy for real out here.
Y'all, I promise my hair ain't gonna look like this. I just took my do-rag off. I'm finna get it right. Don't judge me. Don't judge me! Get me right.
Person's makeup. Oh no, I've done Ashley's makeup.
She's never done a black man's face before. It's all
I
good.
barely do my face, so. Minutes down.
Holiday tables under the tree. April in Paris. This is a feeling that no one can ever.
Yes, Mom. She's telling me that I don't need to touch anything. I think I'm aware that I don't need to touch anything because I'm in all white. Your anxiety is lying to you. Gabriella, eh. How you feeling?
I feel good today. We're alive.
Yes.
And we're here today.
You looking like a waitress. What you doing? Woo, 1950s today, huh? Gabby is the waitress in the shoot today. Such a phenomenal thing to just be able to bring somebody from my hometown into the shoot. This wide view is like great. My cuz camera got it. Got it. Well, it's my camera, but his lens. I'm tired. We on a break right now. We finna get food. We're doing it. We just got back from lunch break. Time to get back dressed. Of course, the stylist is doing the work. But yeah, we're doing the thing, man. We're getting ready to finish up. We got about 3-4 hours left of shooting. We are getting ready to probably go fly through these last because we ain't paying no extra money for this place. So we finna probably fly through, chicken trap through these last few shots. But yeah, I'm looking forward to the final product. I have a phenomenal team here with me. Yeah.
I'm like,
And Gabriella behind the camera. Gabriella Lopez Acosta.
look, and scene.
I never knew the charm of spring I never met it face to face, and I never knew my heart could sing. I never missed a warm embrace.
I don't know who told her to take my camera and record this, but I have to say it was genius. Enjoy this ASMAR. It's asthma. Enjoy this asthma by Ann.
Torn fatigue.
Perfect. That's what I like. See? And we can put it right there. Oh, them workouts came in handy.
Let me say them workouts came in handy because your boy look good. Look real good. And I feel good. Just like I should.
Holla at me.
Till April in Paris. Whom can I run to? What have you done to my heart? We love you, Courtney.
It's a wrap. We are packing up right now. Everybody is packing up. It is a wrap. And the final product coming to your head top soon. It's real soon. We're actually sitting on my friend's balcony. Today was wonderful. Today is what being a creative is all about. Starting with the vision, writing it down, seeing it tangibly, and bringing it to life. Not only that, impacting other people's lives along the way. I was able to bring a friend of mine that, you know, is really talented in what she does, allowed her an outlet to express herself the way that she loves to express herself. My videographer, cinematographer, you know, this is what he loves, so allowing him, creating an opportunity for him to be able to just express himself and just work in his passion, work in his skill, while teaching me and learning from him. You know, it's just a beautiful thing. Gabriella, you know, bringing her into this world. You know, I've been wanting to bring her into this world of acting and just production, and her just being able to see my first production and just bringing her into this, exposing her to something new. That is what being a creative is about. It's not always about being rich, successful, all these things, but it's about creating. And sometimes that creating isn't always just for yourself. It's for yourself. Of course, I've been fed today, I tell you what, but I'm sure my team has been fed, and the people that watch this video are going to be fed in full. You know what I mean? So I'm just so grateful and just reflecting. I'm really kind of choked up right now because it's just a beautiful thing that, you know, I was able to do this today. And I'm grateful, and I'm looking forward to seeing what God has for me in the near future. There is going to be more and bigger productions like this. I'm going to be a director. I'm going to film movies. I'm going to film all these different things. And not only that, I will be in those movies, you know. So I'm just trusting the vision, trusting the process, and allowing God to work. And I hope you do the same if you're watching this. Love y'all. Peace.